Welcome back to my channel. The practice of Cantonese congee is to use congee base, add fresh meat ingredients, and boil until the meat is cooked. Among the Cantonese congee, my favorite is beef congee called 生滚牛肉粥. When I ate it for the first time, I knew that congee can be salty, can be cooked with meat, and can be so delicious. It's also a comfort recipe for sick days. If you are not well or ill, have a bowl of beef congee. Let's get started. Get a portion of beef sliced. It doesn't need to be very thin, but too thick will take more time to cook through. Transfer to a bowl. Prepare 2 small pieces of ginger, one shredded and the other sliced. Shredded ginger is for congee. Sliced ginger is used to marinate beef. Take a look at ingredients needed for marinating beef. Beef slices about 85 grams, ginger slices about 3 grams, 1/2 teaspoon of potato starch, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Baking soda is the secret to beef being cooked in such a short time. Add all the ingredients to the beef. Mix well with your hand. Set aside. Also take a look at ingredients for congee: 40 grams of rice, 1/2 teaspoon of chopped scallions, 5 grams of ginger shredded, 1 teaspoon of salt. Make the congee base. Prepare a casserole. Add 40 grams of washed rice, 1 liter of water. Bring to a boil over high heat. Then turn to low heat. Cook for about 40 minutes until the rice grains don't hold the full shape. Turn off the heat. Get a new pot. Add hot water. Bring to a boil. Blanch the marinated beef. Transfer to a bowl. Then add blanched beef, salt, and shredded ginger to the congee base, boiling until the beef is cooked through about 5 minutes. Stir a few times with chopsticks during the time to avoid sticking. Turn off the heat. Top with chopped scallions. The beef congee is ready. Tender beef and smooth congee are perfectly combined. If you like today's recipe, give a try and subscribe for more Chinese cooking videos. Thank you for watching and see you next time.